30 business ideas you can start in Uganda and make a lot of money. Welcome back to Money and Beyond with SC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Number one business is the laundromat or a dry cleaning business. You can call it laundry and dry cleaning business. Some call it Dobby. So we are going to start with that business. What do you need to start a laundry business? You need a laundry machine, and with laundry machine we shall need a commercial machine, because with commercial machine it will not disturb you. It will be able to perform large tasks, because this is going to be business. And you know, laundry business, you can get a lot of clothes from people, a lot of heavier things like duvets, and if you have these small machines, they'll disturb you. So you need a laundry machine or a washing machine. It can be a two-in-one, like a washing and a dryer, or you can buy two separate machines, a washer and then a dryer, but for commercial use. You also need an iron box. You're going to need an iron board. You will need Busines. You will need detergents like a washing powder, stain removers, fabric whitener, fabric softeners, and others. After this, you're going to look for a strategic location. With strategic location, I'm meaning a place which is convenient for people, and a kind of place where you'll be able to get customers. After a strategic location, you're going to market your business. You can go, some can go to door to door. You can go in those fences, Mobi Komela. You go there and ask, because to be truthful, people these days don't want to wash, and they don't even have time, and I'm among those people. I hate washing. That's why I have a laundry machine at home. I hate washing. And some people, they hire these women to come and wash for them. But if you can go door to door to such people in gates and ask them for their clothes to wash for them, you tell them how you operate, you do a pick up and drop, you pick their clothes, you take them, like within 1 to a few hours, you bring them back, make sure the clothes are clean. Those people will keep on recommending you to others. And if you can manage to get these people, like many of them, and also get the past buyers, for real, you make a lot of money. Because remember, washing is weekly. It's not something which is done once in a while. A person has to wash every week. So if you get these people and you do a good service, these people will keep on coming back every week. So you will get customers. You can as well make business cards, give out business cards. You can as well go to social media. I'm seeing TikTok people are marketing their businesses. You can market your own business there. You tell them the services you do. You tell them the after services, like here, I can drop your clothes, I can pick them and drop them. I can iron, fold your clothes, what. You can market your business. Go to Instagram, go to Facebook. You get customers if you give a good service. Another thing is find a way to minimize water and power usage. Because remember, the more you save on this, the more your profits can go higher. Because if you can start with buying the machines. You buy those machines which will save you electricity. Because even when I was buying my laundry machine, they will tell you this kind of machine, it uses this amount of electricity, or what will take these units to wash and dry, what things like that. So you make sure you buy machines which will be able to save power. And also water, make sure you save water. If it needs to reuse, if it needs to save water, save electricity, because those are the things you use. Save the detergent, like, because the more you save, the more you make some profit from it. You can as well get someone to do the deliveries for you. You can get a boda guy who'll be able to pick these orders, and they'll also be able to drop them. And you can get someone you trust who will not mess with customers' things. Get involved in the washing process. Yes, we know some people, they just start businesses and leave their businesses there, but make sure you get involved. These people you're going to put there can either kill your business or make it succeed. You can leave a person there, they just put the clothes, they like, you know, if you take your clothes at the laundry machine or a laundry place, and you get your white shirt or white dress, it's now cream, what you will not go back there. But make sure you supervise the process. You see, are these people really doing good work? Do they put in effort? And you see that the work they are doing is really okay. Another thing, set the prices. You can set the prices, like, because most laundry places you weigh in kgs, because there's no way you can say like this clothes cost 10,000 this. But if you have a weighing machine, you say a kg is from, they said from 5 to 10 kg, be like a kg is 5,000 or 7,000. And duvets, you can be like, light ones we are starting at 10 or 15k, heavy ones are 30 or 40k, something like that. And you set the price depending on the, for those duvets you depend on the size and the dirtiness. But with other clothes you can weigh in kgs and set a price for each kg. And don't forget to, after washing, you just don't take back the clothes. Do the after services. Iron, fold well, pack them well, and take them back. All these people will come and pick them, but which this person will not get from these other ladies they call to wash for them. They will not iron for them, they will not fold for them. But for you're going to wash, iron and fold. Isn't that better? Maybe things to note: always check your client's pockets before washing, because some people forget things in their pockets, like important documents, money. But make sure you check, and even keys, which may even destroy your machine. So make sure before you put those clothes in water to start washing, make sure you check the pockets. In case they are empty, you put them. In case there are some things, make sure to give those things back to the customers. It will bring, like, they'll learn to trust you. And another thing, color selection. Just be keen on colors. Don't mix clothes with different colors. You can't mix whites and blacks, whites and reds. Can end up spoiling your customers' clothes, and that will be another case. So thank you for today. I think if I do all of them in one video, the videos are going to be long, yet I want to explain everything. So I think I'll be doing in parts. So this is the end of part 1. I'm coming back with business number 2. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. I love you.